Mute yourself. Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. We will start the session within the 5 minutes. Okay. Take 5 minutes and then we will start the session. Okay. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay. Okay. A and B division. Okay. Yes, A division. Tell me if you want to repeat the first chapter. Yes. Yes. They're having some of the recap of the first chapter. You want it? A division. Tell me. Yes. Please give me reply. Then we will start the session. Okay. Then we will move for our second chapter. Tell me, A division, you want it the recap of small recap of the first chapter? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. A B division, they're having 2 or 15 minutes. They're having this some of the recap of the student. Okay. B division, anyone having any problem? Yes? Okay. A and B division, I am telling two division. I am once again, I will repeat it. 15 minutes, small recap of first chapter. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. All of you know about Python programming. Python programming invented in 1989. Okay. Suppose in 1991, but 1989 it's invented in Netherlands. Okay. Netherlands, and famous scientist name is Guido van Rossum. I will tell you in orally. Okay. You understood all concept. Okay. Yes. Then Guido van Rossum invited the ABC language. First, Python previous name is ABC language. Okay. Then mute yourself. Mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Smita. Smita, mute yourself. Hello. Hello, Smita. Yes. Okay. Invited in 1989. Then he decide the name of ABC language. Then okay, no problem. Then Guru Vendrosam saw the famous cricket show, famous comedy show. Okay, sorry, cricket. Sorry for my mistake. Comedy show, famous comedy show. Comedy show Monty Python Flying Circus. He saw the famous comedy show in BBC channel. Saw the famous comedy show Monty Python Flying Circus. Okay, then he decide the ABC language instant give the name of Python programming. Okay, then he decide to give the name of Python programming. Okay, all of you understood? Is the small history of Python? Yes? Yes? Okay. Yes. Then we will go for next chapter, Python interpreter. They are having Python interpreter. Why it is interpreter? Because it is a runtime language, means interpreter language. Okay. Python is a interpreter language. Why? Because we will directly single line we will run it program. Single line we run it program. Okay. One to one line we will run it the program. Okay. Whole program we will not compile it and not run it. We will directly run the module. Okay. That's why Python interpreter. Okay. See the diagram. Edit, interpreter, input, write it, hello world, output. Okay. Next one, program execution. Yes, all of you, B division. Remember it? Vaishnavi, Shivani. Yes? 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 Okay. Then we will go for
Yes,
our,
ma'am.
yes. Okay. Then we will go for our practical. Then you know about what is the, okay, IDLE. Type it ideally, open it. B division, no problem. It was sometime repeated. Okay, no any issue. If you are having any issue, then tell me. Okay, less than, greater than symbol. Okay, they are having the greater than symbol. Why it is greater than symbol? Because you write it in here. Okay, you write it here. Okay, yes. Then write it print hello world, hello world. Mute yourself. Inter. Yes. Do, don't don't disturb our lecture. Mute yourself. Print hello world. Okay. Input. You write it into interpreter. Python interpreter. What is hello world? Okay. Into our cell. Then what is our output? Hello world. Okay. That's why it is Python interpreter. Okay. Python, it is an interpreter language. Okay. All of you understood? And what is source.py and why it is runtime PVM? We will see it. Okay. Ideally, open it ideally. Go for new. Go for new. Then it open a script mode. Okay. All of you understood? It is our script mode. Yes. Then you write it here. Print hello world. Hello world. Then file save as tyentc. Okay, entc dot py. Save this and directly run the module. What is our output? Hello world. Okay, this is our source code and this is your output. Okay, it is our runtime PVM output. Okay, they're having separately virtual machine in Python. Run it the program. Okay, yes, student, all of you understood? Yes, A and B division. Yes. Okay, then we will move for next point. All of you perform it practical. Python interpreter in Hello World. Write it 2 plus 3, 5. Then interactive mode. They are having interactive mode, two interactive mode. Command line argument, command line interpreter, and prompt, and second one script mode. Okay. Command line prompt. Windows R. Write it CMD. Open it. Okay. Yes, write it here Python. Okay. No, sorry. What happened here? Wait for a minute. Windows R CMD. Open it. Python. Write it Python. Yes, Python 3.7.4. Okay. And write it your print hello world. Hello world. Then hello world print. Okay. 2 plus 3. Then 5. Okay. Yes. Anyone having any doubt? Yes. Yes, student. The example is here. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to A plus B, print C. Okay. And then go for script mode. All of you know about script mode. Go through ideally yourself, default set, open it, file, new file. There is a script mode. Okay. Script mode. Okay. Yes. All of you understood? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose you are asking the question, Python interpret Python. They're having the how many interactive prompt. Then you tell the two interactive prompt. One is command line prompt, and second one is script mode. Okay, and then they're having the so much important difference between Python 2 and Python 3. Okay. Release date 2008, Python 3, Python 2 having 2000. Okay. Function print, Python 3 having parenthesis, Python 2 having not having the parenthesis. Okay. And then they're having the Python 3 having for loop range function, Python 2 having X range function. And main difference is Python 2 having older library and Python 3 having the right now latest library. We will use it. Okay. And then we will see. Okay. Main difference is Python 3 parenthesis hello world, Python 2 having not having the parenthesis. Okay. Tell me a division if it is so fast. Tell me, because we will so much 2 weeks having the only one chapter. Okay. Yes. Yes, student, give me reply, please. Yes, I am fast. I am fast.
No, ma'am.
Okay. And what is the program and script language? Tell me, what is the program? Why it is so much popular Python in nowadays? And so many company, so many student refer directly Python. Why? If you are not having the background of C, C++, and little bit know about it, C++, no any problem. But you are able to learn Python directly. I am telling you directly, you learn the Python. First, you learn how to program in first, how to basic concept you clear in C, then you learn it Python program very clearly. Okay? Yes? My screen is visible?
Yes, visible.
Yes? Okay. Then tell me what is the program? Yes? Suppose you write it C in C. For example, C. Hash include studio.h, hash include conio.h, void main, opening curly bracket in function, opening bracket, write it hello word, print hello word. Okay? Printf hello word, closing bracket, get ch. Then next one, अजून एक closing bracket. Okay? Closing bracket. Okay? Then you run it the program. Now you compile it whole program. Yes, whole program you compile it and then you run it. But in scripting language, they are having directly interpreter. You write it hello word, print hello word, and run it. Okay? Yes, all of you understood? It is our why it is Python is a interpreter. Yes, program set of instruction. It is known as program. Okay, Chavan, 35. Okay, yes, absolutely right. Yes. Then program is a general sequence of instructions. That's why it is a Python is a scripting language. Okay. Whole program you write it into script mode. Okay. Not here. Open it ideally. Open it. Yes. Open it. File. New file. Here is your script mode, and whole program you write it into your script mode. Okay, that's why Python is a scripting language. Okay, yes, understood. And all of you know about compiler and interpreter difference. Yes, uh, if it is need to explain once again compiler and interpreter. Yes, compiler take the entire program to whole program, compile it, but interpreter one line, single line at a time. Okay, and program need not compile every time, but interpreter you want to every time use single line, you convert high level programming to low level programming. Okay, then compiler, what is a compiler language? C, C++, Scala, Java. Yes. Then interpreter, Python, directly you write it, the program, print hello world, and run it. Python, PHP, also interpreter language, and Ruby. Okay. Yes. Everybody understood what is the concept of compiler and interpreter? Yes. Yes, student. Yes. Give me reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we will move for our program. Then we will move first point of our what is our very important point in your programming purpose. Okay. If you write the Python programming, it is most important part. B division, what is the important part in Python? Yes, give me reply. Yes, 34. If you write in some of the line of mistake, compiler means your whole program you compile at a one time. Yes, but interpreter like this, you write it single line of code and you execute it at the runtime. Okay, directly your runtime, your program should be run. Okay, yes. And yes, it is what is the important part in Python. We will go for Python programming first step. Then what is the important part in our program? We will start the program. Then we will understood what is the important part. Then we will go for program in Python. Indentation. Yes, it is most important part in indentation in Python. Okay, A division. Anyone having the problem? We will go ahead. Go ahead. Yes, yes, student. Give me reply.
No problem, ma'am.
Okay, indentation in C, simple C, C++, Java. Use it. No issue. Don't think like this. Only C. You see in C language, opening and curly braces. Yes. And whatever you program, you write it within the opening and curly braces. Yes. Yes. But Python having the white spaces means indentation. Okay. You write it the program within the indentation. Means whatever you write it, white spaces, you indentation means your white spaces. Okay. You write it straightforward Python program. Okay. They're having the already having the indentation into your program. Whatever what is the white spaces required in Python, it's already in your program. But you don't, if you write it Python program miss indentation, then your error should be indentation error. Okay. Yes, I'm telling you. For example, okay, all of you don't worry, I'm sharing the ppts of your in your group. Don't worry about it. Open it ideally. Yes. Indentation means what? Your white spaces. Okay. Yes. All of you understood? Yes. New. Open it. A is equal to 5. Then B is equal to A. 7. Then C is equal to A plus B. Okay. Then print C. Okay. File. Your script name. Save as. What is your script name? Yes, A division. What you write? You want to write here? Aishwarya. Okay. Aishwarya dot py dot py. Okay. Save it. Run it program. Run module. Run it. Well, it's here. But I am taking the mistake here. Some of the mistake here. White spaces. Okay. White spaces. Okay. A division. Clearly listen here. Okay. And run the module. What is the error here? Syntax error here. Yes. Yes, student. What is the syntax error here?
बी आणि सी मध्ये स्पेस दिला ना अगोदर, त्या द्यायच्या नाहीत, ओनली प्रिंटला द्यायची.
No. What is your name?
वैष्णवी.
Vaishnavi. Yes, you have some little bit right. Okay, syntax error is occurred. What is the error? In unexpected index. Mean whatever your error, it is your white space. Okay. Yes, understood. White space means gap. समजलं तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना? All of you understood? Yes. Then you go for the program. Okay. And run it. And next we will see the next output also. A minus C. Okay. A minus C and E is equal to A into B. Okay. Then print it. Print D. Print E. Okay. And save this file and run it. Program. What is our output? 12 minus 2, 35. Okay. Yes. Vaishnavi. Everybody understood. Whatever your pace is here, give the pace as a at the right. Okay. If you write it in here colon. Okay. Then your your line is here. Then whatever your line is, print it like this. Okay. If suppose your print statement is here and you write it here, print E. Okay. Then run it program, run module. What is indexation? Your print statement straightforward means whatever your print statement is here, one by one line. Okay. In straightforward. Okay. Yes. All of you understood? Yes. Yes, or
ma'am.
no? Yes. Okay. And then I will tell you the conditional statement. Then thenceforth you are having the if for loop. That's टायमिंगला तुम्हाला इंडेक्टेशन समजणार आहे. Okay. All of you understood? It is a basic program for Python. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Then we will go for our second unit. Yes. A division.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Absolutely right, Amar. Okay. Yes, student. Who is the CR of A and B? CR.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Anyone having doubt of A and B division?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. All student, tell me if you are having any doubt. We will cover the only basic part. We will cover what is the Python. Okay. Then we will go for basic to basic difference, basic to basic step of Python programming. Okay. Yes. Everybody understood? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Yes. In today's session, we will cover our move for next unit. We will move for next unit. Anyone having any problem? Yes?
No, ma'am. No problem.
Okay. Our unit number 2. What is unit number 2? Introduction to Python programming constraint. Okay. In this chapter, we will study data type and variables, collection data type, control structure, loops and function, lambdas. We will stop for lambdas. Then we will cover it basic program in Python, and then we will go for move for next point, exception handling, generators. It is an advanced topic of Python. We will not cover it right now. We will cover it third unit after the over of third unit. Okay. Exception handling, string handling, scope of variable, modules, packages, command line argument, built-in function, constant, and type of exception. Okay. We will cover it these 2 points. Okay. Yes. Yes. Anyone tell me what is the data type? In general way. In general way. Tell me what is data type. Hello?
The type of data that computer accept is known as data type.
Yes, yes, absolutely right. In natural way, you are having the sum of the name. Yes, that's like my name is Akshata. Yes, yes, my name is Akshata, but I am the female. Yes, I am female gender. Yes, that is my data type. I am a female. Yes, you are like a girls. Yes, girls is a data type. In natural example, I'm not going the technical way. I'm going the natural way. Okay, natural point of view. In general example, practical example. Yes, yes, am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That's like data type in Python means whatever your variable stored in value. Which type? Which category? Means whatever classification of this data items. Yes, whatever you store the value of variables, that is mean by data type. Okay, data type are used for classification, categorization of data items. For example, you are having the TY A division. Okay, girls are separate, separate category. Yes, boys are separate category. Yes, it is our classification. Yes or no? Yes or no? Speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And then what is the type of variable stored in data? Yes. Which type of data? Girls or boys? That's like technical language. Which type of variable stored in your data type? Okay, like integer, float, character. Yes. Then this type are basically nothing but data type. Okay. And data type, it is most important in your Python, in your any language. Okay, any language, very much important part in data type. Okay, yes, they are having Python data type. Every variable associated with data type. Okay, then integer, 3.14 float, true or false boolean, and string sum and mat. Okay, every variable associated with data type. Okay. Yes. B34. What is question here? Amar. Yes. What is your question? Yes, I'm only today's session we will over the or only basic concept, basic in data type. Amar, what happened? Yes. Okay, okay, no any issue. Okay, I'm perform the one practical here. All of you see here. Okay. A in C already we will define the integer a is equal to 10, 20 like this. In Python, you directly define it and run it. Okay. A is equal to 10 and print it a is equal to 10. Yes, all of you understood? Integer, then b is equal to 12.19, then b is equal to b printed 12.9. Yes, then c is equal to true, printed c true. Yes, then d is equal to what is your name? Shivani. Shivani, then print it. Shivani printed. Okay, all of you understood? Integer data type, float data type, boolean data type, string data type. Yes, anyone having problem in this data type? Yes, yes, student. Please give me reply. Yes, yes, student. Give me reply.
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. And then you are having the next point, collection data type. Means our having the standard data type, numbers, sequence, type, boolean, set, dictionary. Okay. In wait,
Ma'am, voice is not audible.
yes, okay. Unmute yourself. That's fine. Yes, student, collection data type. All of you understood? Numeric, dictionary, boolean, Python data type, numeric, dictionary, boolean, set, sequence type. In numeric type, they're having the data type like a integer, complex number, float, and dictionary, boolean, set, sequence type. They're having the sequence type string, list, tuple. We will see the first numeric type. Okay. In numeric type, we will see all of you see the data type, simple data type. Yes. Then we will go for integer numeric data type. A is equal to 12. A, print it 12. Yes. Next one, complex number. Then B is equal to 4 is a real number. Then 5J. Okay. Then B, print it 4 plus 5J. Okay. It is our complex data type. Okay. Then C is equal to float value. Okay. 12.5. Suppose I want to check the type of the data. Okay. Then what you write it here? Print type function. All of you listen carefully. Type function A, and then print. What is our 12? A is equal to 12. A, integer data type. Yes. Then print type B. Which data type? Complex. All of you see clearly. Okay. Then print type C. What is our data type? Float. Okay. All of you understood this point of this point up to this point? Yes. Yes. Anyone having doubt? Yes, student.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear all points?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we will stop here. Then we will go for next point in our next session. Okay. TYA. Give the present T. A division. 1. Hello. Hello, student. I am taking the present T. I call your roll number. Then say yes or no. Okay. We will stop here today's session. Okay. 1. 1. 1. Roll number 1.
Absent, ma'am.
Okay. 2.
Present.
3.
Present.
4.
Yes, ma'am.
5.
Present, ma'am.
6.
Present, ma'am.
7. 7. Absent. 8.
Present, ma'am.
9.
Present, ma'am.
10.
Present, ma'am.
11. 11. Absent. 12.
Present, ma'am.
13. 13. Absent. 14.
Present, ma'am.
15. 15. Roll number 15. Absent. Okay. 16. 17.
Present, ma'am.
18.
Present, ma'am.
19.
Present, ma'am.
20.
Present, ma'am.
21. 21. 22.
Present, ma'am.
23.
Present, ma'am.
24. Don't leave this session. Okay. 24. Yes, 34 roll number. Yes, J is an imaginary part. Means whatever you write it, 4 plus 5J. 5J is your imaginary part and 4 it is your real part. Okay. Roll number 34. Understood? Yes? Amar.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
24, roll number 824. 824. Absent. 25.
Present, ma'am.
26. 26. 27.
Yes, ma'am.
28.
Yes, ma'am.
29.
Present, ma'am.
30.
Present, ma'am.
31.
Present, ma'am.
32.
Present, ma'am.
33. 33. Absent. 34. 34. 35. 35 is here. Okay. 36.
Yes, ma'am.
37.
Present, madam.
38. 38. 39.
Present.
40.
Present.
41. 41. 42.
Present, ma'am.
43. 43. Absent. 44.
Present, ma'am.
45.
Yes,
Present,
ma'am.
ma'am.
46. 46. 47.
Present, ma'am.
48. 48. 49. 50. 50. 51. What is your strength of A division, Omkar?
52. Present, ma'am.
52. But what is your strength? Your batch strength, division strength? 50, 53. Wait for me. Please give me reply. What is your strength of the division?
52, madam.
ma'am.
Yes, Mahesh?
52, madam.
52. Okay. Last number 52. Yes. Okay. Roll number, absent roll number. 1, 7, 11, 13, 15, 16, 21, 24, 26, 34, 35, 38, 41, 43, 46, 49, 50, 52. Yes. Anyone present in this number? No. Okay. PYB. Start presently. 1,
Present, ma'am.
2, 2, absent. 3,
Present.
4,
Present, ma'am.
5,
Present, ma'am.
6, 6, absent. 7,
Yes.
Ma'am.
8. Yes. 8,
Present, ma'am. Present.
9. 9 absent. 10. 10 absent. 11.
Yes, ma'am.
12.
Yes, ma'am.
13.
Present, ma'am.
14.
Yes, ma'am.
15.
Present.
16.
Present, ma'am.
17.
Present, ma'am.
18.
Present.
19. 19. 20.
Yes, ma'am.
21.
Yes, ma'am.
22.
Present, ma'am.
23.
Yes, ma'am.
24.
Present, ma'am.
35. 25.
Present, ma'am.
26. 26. Absent. 27.
Present, ma'am.
28. Present. 29.
Yes, ma'am.
30.
Present, ma'am.
31.
Present, ma'am.
32. 32. 32. Absent. 33.
Present, ma'am.
34.
Yes, madam.
35.
Present, ma'am.
36. 36. 37.
Present, madam.
Yes, madam.
38.
Yes, madam.
39.
Yes, madam.
40. 41.
Present.
42. 42. 43. 40. 43 absent. 44.
Present, ma'am.
45. Absent. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, present. Roll number, absent roll number B division. 2, 6, 9, 10, 19, 26, 32, 43, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. If it is present, tell me. Yes. Student, last warning to you. If it is kept like this, your ICA marks should be less. Okay. Don't do like this. Okay. Term work should be independent on your attendance and your performance. Don't do like this. Okay. B division, absent roll number. 2, 6, 9, 10, 19, 26, 32, 43, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Yes, it is present. Anyone present? No. Okay. I am calling once again absent roll number of EN. Absent roll number. Okay. TYA 1, 7, 11, 13, 4, 15, 16, 21, 24, 26, 34, 35, 38, 41, 43, 46, 49, 50, 51. Anyone present? Okay. You are having good day, good session. Okay? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.